Hey guys, this is Life with Shonda, also the Spoon and Fork Chronicles. If you follow me on YouTube, because I will be uploading this video to both platforms. All right, so this is still continuing with the unboxing from Pardon My Fro. I showed you in the previous video was the Shanell line from Pardon My Fro from their shower curtain, and it was the orange one. So this is also the Shanell, and this is white. All right, let's open it. Wow, this is like, and like I said, look at that. That is like awesome. Oh, it's so thick and pretty. Wow. Oh. So basically, this shower curtain is, look at that. Look at how vivid that is. Look, baby, yes. Black girl magic. Look at that. So pretty. Look at how vivid. Look, her little ring on, her lipstick. Look at that. Okay. So basically, this is just like the orange one, except it's white. But it's so, oh. It's so thick, and it's like, wow. I'm not gonna unfold the whole thing because you guys just saw the orange one, but I am going to stand up and let you guys see some of this. Look at that. This is her fro. All of this is her fro. Look at her jewelry on her wrist. Look at that. Super cute. I love it. Yeah, I love this. Okay, so this is the Shanell Shower Curtain from Pardon My Fro, and this is the white shower curtain from the Shanell line. Gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. That is so pretty. And once again, let me show you the top. Look at, and these are sturdy. This is super sturdy. Look at that. Super sturdy. Wow, I love it. Wow, look at that. Super cute. Wow, that is gorgeous. All right, guys, let's continue.